Alright guys, Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's episode, I've got yet another flight with my Strix Stratosurfer. If you saw yesterday's video, I went ahead and did a complete overview of my thoughts on this airplane. And spoiler, I was very, very impressed with it. So if you haven't watched that one, make sure to go ahead and check it out. Recently posted on my channel. But today I've got a little bit of a different setup here. As you can see, I've got the GoPro Hero8 Black right here on the front, strapped to the FPV canopy. And because of this extra weight in front of the CG, I'm actually running a smaller battery. This is a Rhino 2200 milliamp hour 3-cell battery as well. And I have a little bit of extra nose weight just on the front of that. And that basically gets us to our CG marks. So I think we should be good to go for today's flight. Now, I'll hopefully still be able to fly it for at least 10 minutes, but I'm not going to make this video super long. We may not even get through the entire battery on this. We're just going to go ahead and cruise, have some fun, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead, get right into it. that's going to wrap it up for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This thing performed really well, even in a smaller environment with the 15-mile-per-hour winds. It's a little bit different of a style of video than I normally do, so let me know if you like just the raw onboard footage. I think it gives a new perspective and something a little bit different, especially since I just recently posted a third-person flying of this airplane. So either way, I'm definitely going to be mixing them in with other airplanes here as well. So again, let me know your thoughts as well. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, of course, your support means a lot to me, so make sure to go ahead and like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you have any questions about this airplane or RC in general. That's it for now, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.